If you're tired of flat tires stranding you on remote highways, dead batteries at the worst moments, messy back seats with kids' toys everywhere, warm drinks spoiling your snacks, scattered gear rolling around the trunk, or boring drives without entertainment, today we're finally fixing that for good. These are 15 road trip car gadgets on Amazon you absolutely need before your next drive. Essential tools, organizers, chargers, coolers, safety upgrades, and so much more. Oh, stick around until the end for an absolute must-have for every road tripper who wants smoother, safer, and more enjoyable journeys. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Stay ahead of flats. This portable air compressor with accurate digital pressure gauge auto stops at your preset PSI to prevent overinflation, bright LED work light for night or low visibility use, and multiple nozzles for car tires, bike tires, sports balls, air mattresses, or inflatables. It plugs into 12-volt cigarette lighter or rechargeable battery option for cordless freedom. Pumps up a low tire in 3 to 5 minutes with fast airflow. Compact, sturdy build with carry handle. Reliable emergency tool that prevents dangerous roadside changes, maintains optimal tire pressure for better fuel economy, handling, and safety on long trips or remote roads. Reviewers love how it saves time, money, and stress when pressure drops unexpectedly during cross-country drives or camping trips. Number 2. Magnetic car phone holder. Hands-free navigation. This strong magnetic phone holder, like iAudi AutoSense, ESR Halo Lock, or Lamicall models, attaches firmly to air vents, dash, or windshield with powerful neodymium magnets and 360-degree ball joint rotation for perfect portrait or landscape viewing angles. Auto snap hold keeps phones secure even on bumpy highways or sharp turns. Compatible with MagSafe cases or included metal rings for any device. Keeps navigation visible. Or it calls hands-free and music controls easy. Essential for safer driving without holding your phone or missing turns on unfamiliar routes. Reviewers call it rock solid, stable, and a must-have for GPS users, long road trips, or anyone who wants clutter-free, reliable phone mounting during extended drives. Number 3. Backseat organizer with tablet holder. Keep kids happy. This backseat hanging organizer with built-in tablet holder, dual cup holders, large mesh pockets, zippered compartments, honor and headphone slots. Attaches securely to the back of front seat headrests or seats to keep toys, snacks, water bottles, books, tablets, coloring books, crayons, small games, or travel essentials neatly organized and easily accessible for rear passengers of all ages. Adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit on any car seat size or type. Durable, wipe-clean fabric handles spills. Daily rough use and frequent handling by kids. Great for long road trips, school runs, family vacations, or daily commutes. Parents repeatedly say it dramatically reduces "I'm bored" complaints, minimizes fighting over items, keeps the back seat floor completely clear of clutter, makes every journey far more peaceful, enjoyable, and stress-free for the entire family, and adds a touch of smart convenience that transforms the rear cabin. Number 4. Car trash can with lid. No more mess. This leak-proof car trash can with secure lid and removable inner liner hangs conveniently on seat back, console, honor, or headrest, and includes extra side pockets for tissues, wipes, sanitizer, small trash bags, air fresheners, or hand lotion. Zippered or flip top prevents odors, spills, and mess from escaping. Compact design folds flat when empty for easy storage. Reviewers love how it stops wrappers, cups, fast food bags, crumbs from piling up on floors or seats. Keeps the interior fresh, hygienic, easy to clean after kids, fast food runs, long trips, or daily commutes, and maintains a cleaned up on organized cabin appearance effortlessly even after hours of snacking on the road. Number 5. Portable car refrigerator, cold drinks / food anytime. This portable 12-volt car refrigerator, like Alpacool, Bowser V, or EcoFlow Glacier models, uses efficient compressor cooling to chill or freeze items with adjustable temps from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, available in 20 to 50 liter sizes, perfect for trucks, RVs, SUVs, or sedans. App control on some models, built-in wheels for easy transport. And dual AC/DC power options for home or car use. Ideal for road trips, camping, tailgating, picnics, or keeping groceries fresh without stopping. Reviewers rave about the fast cooling, quiet operation, sturdy build, and how it prevents spoiled food or warm drinks on hot long hauls, family vacations, or cross-country adventures. Number 6. Smart Jump Starter Never Stranded. This portable smart jump starter, Noco Boost GB40, Gulu GP 2000, or similar 1000 amps plus models, packs massive peak power in a compact lithium design to instantly start gas engines up to 6.0 liters or diesel up to 3.0 liters even in freezing cold after long inactivity, or when headlights drain the battery on remote roads. Built-in advanced safety tech prevents sparks, reverse polarity, short circuits, or overcharge. Doubles as a fast power bank with USB ports for phones, tablets, or laptops during roadside waits. ARM includes bright LED flashlight with strobe/SOS modes for nighttime emergencies, easy smart clamps that light up when connected correctly, highly rated for cold weather reliability, essential for emergencies, remote areas, late night breakdowns, or daily peace of mind on road trips. Number 7. Foldable Trunk Organizer Tame Trunk Chaos. This foldable trunk organizer collapses completely flat for easy storage when not needed, but expands into sturdy, multi-compartment sections with adjustable dividers to separate groceries, sports gear, tools, emergency kits, shopping bags, or kids' toys without anything shifting during turns, sudden stops, or bumpy roads. Non-slip bottom base prevents sliding, built-in carry handles make loading, unloading simple, and side pockets hold smaller items like wipes, cables, or gloves securely. Waterproof, heavy-duty fabric resists spills and wear, perfect for SUVs, sedans, or hatchbacks to stop mess from rolling around and keep your trunk looking neat even after heavy shopping, sports events, or family outings. Reviewers rave about how it maximizes every inch of trunk space, saves time at the store, and makes errands or trips way less chaotic and frustrating. Number 8. Bluetooth FM Transmitter Modern Car Audio. This Bluetooth FM transmitter streams crystal clear music, hands-free calls, Siri/Google Assistant commands, podcasts, audiobooks, and playlists from your phone directly to car speakers via FM frequency. No O-cable or expensive head unit upgrades required. Dual fast USB ports charge 2 devices simultaneously. Built-in noise-canceling microphone for clear calls, and bright LED display shows frequency/channel. Stable, interference-free connection with minimal static even in cities. Perfect for older cars without Bluetooth or for passengers wanting personal playlists on road trips. Reviewers praise the sound quality, ease of use, and how it lets everyone enjoy their own music, podcasts, or audiobooks without fighting over the radio during long drives. Number 9. 4K Night Vision Front Dash. Cam record your journey. This 4K HDR dash cam with night vision, Viofo a 229 Pro, Redtiger F7NP, or Rove R3 models. Captures ultra-sharp footage day and night, wide-angle coverage, GPS logging for speed/location stamps, Wi-Fi app for quick downloads, G-sensor for impact lock, and parking mode with motion detection. Our loop recording overwrites old footage automatically, essential for accident-proof, insurance claims, capturing road rage or hit-and-run incidents, or memories from scenic drives. Reviewers rave about the sharp night vision clarity, reliable performance in low light, and how it provides true peace of mind on dark highways, rural roads, or late-night stretches during extended road trips. Number 10. Blind Spot Mirrors. Eliminate surprises. These convex blind spot mirrors stick on, clip on, but these are adhesive models attach easily to side mirrors to expand your view and completely remove hidden vehicles lurking in low light, rain, fog, heavy traffic, or complete darkness. Wide-angle design with anti-glare coating reduces reflections from headlights. Super easy install with no tools required and no damage to mirrors. Prevents dangerous lane change surprises from unseen cars. Reviewers say they make merging safer on busy highways, reduce accidents from blind spots at night, provide a cheap but your effective safety upgrade, give extra confidence when changing lanes on highways or in busy areas after dark, and become a simple yet life-saving addition for safer road trips. Number 11. Portable Cordless Car Vacuum. Quick cleanups. This cordless handheld vacuum delivers powerful suction with multiple attachments to remove crumbs, pet hair, sand, dirt, Cheerios, or small debris from seats, floor mats, cup holders, trunk corners, and crevices. Long-lasting rechargeable battery, plus washable HEPA filter traps allergens, and compact lightweight design fits glove box or door pocket easily. Perfect for quick weekly cleanups, post-road trip messes, or daily pet owner maintenance. Reviewers call it a lifesaver for families, pet lovers, and anyone tired of bulky vacuums or waiting for gas station options, keeping the car fresh after snacks, beach days, or long drives without cords or hassle. Number 12, Roadside Emergency Car Kit. Be ready for anything. This comprehensive roadside emergency car kit includes heavy-duty jumper cables, portable tire inflator/compressor, high-lumen flashlight, first aid supplies, reflective warning triangles, gloves, rain poncho, multi-tool, and more packed in a sturdy compact carry case for easy trunk storage. Essential for breakdowns, flats, minor accidents, dead batteries, or winter driving on remote roads. Reviewers call it a must-have for safety. On quick fixes, signaling help at night, handling unexpected issues confidently on any road trip or daily commute after dark, and providing complete peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything that could happen on the road. Number 13, Wireless CarPlay Screen Infotainment Upgrade. This portable wireless CarPlay / Android Auto screen, 7 to 10 inch high-resolution touchscreen, mounts securely on dash or windshield with touch controls, mirroring your phone wirelessly for Apple Maps, Waze, Spotify, audio calls, YouTube, and apps. Built-in speakers, Bluetooth pairing, split-screen multitasking, and voice control integration for safe hands-free use. Plug and play, no wiring or permanent mods. Turns older cars into sleek, connected hubs instantly. Reviewers rave about the crisp, vibrant display, lag-free performance, easy navigation for unfamiliar routes, and how it makes road trips more entertaining with music, podcasts, or passenger entertainment. To number 14, Car Air Purifier. Fresh cabin air. This Car Air Purifier, Pure Enrichment Pure Zone Mini, Philips Go Pure, or IQ Air Atom Car models uses HEPA filters, ionizers, or activated carbon to remove dust, pollen, odors, smoke, allergens, pet dander, and bacteria from cabin air quickly, creating a healthier, fresher breathing environment during enclosed road trips. Quiet fan operation, USB or 12-volt power, compact size fits vents or console, some with nightlight or app control. Reviewers say it reduces stuffiness, helps allergy symptoms, eliminates lingering food or smoke smells, makes long drives more comfortable and healthier, and noticeably improves overall cabin air quality for better focus and alertness. Number 15, Glove Box Organizer. Tidy Essentials. This insert tray or multi-pocket pouch organizes insurance cards, vehicle manuals, registration papers, pens, napkins, sunglasses, tire pressure gauge, small first aid items, USB cables, or toll tickets so everything stays neatly in place and doesn't fly out when you open the box. Accordion style or expandable designs maximize the limited glove box space. Some have elastic loops or clear pockets for easy visibility and quick access. Simple drop and fit, no tools or adhesive required. Users say it stops the classic everything falls out problem, makes finding documents fast during police stops or maintenance checks, turns a messy catch-all into a tidy professional storage spot, and adds a small but noticeable level of organization inside the car for smoother road trips. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our list of the 15 road trip car gadgets on Amazon. From tire inflators and smart jump starters to backseat organizers, dash cams, and portable fridges that make your next drive safer, more comfortable, and fun. If you're tired of flat tires, dead batteries, messy back seats, or boring trips and ready to upgrade your road trip setup, one of these is calling your name. Let us know in the comments which of these road trip gadgets you'd grab first, or if you've already tried one, share how it's made your drives better. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more car tips, gadget reviews, and road trip buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices, deals, and direct Amazon links before anything sells out or prices change. Safe travels and enjoy your next adventure.